What's up, guys? I'm back with another pack opening, and today we're going to be opening up a fat pack of 2022 Chronicles draft picks. So I found this at Target, $6.99 for a fat pack. I don't know what you call them anymore, fat packs or hanger packs. I don't think it matters. But you should be getting 5 playbook or playoff parallels or base. So let's get started. So we got Trey McBride. So obviously gonna be a bunch of rookies. Probably only gonna sleeve up the quarterbacks, I guess. Jahan Dotson. Taysom Hill. Okay, I lied. There's past players on here too. Score of Joe Namath. Chris Olave base Chronicles. Score 22 of Drew Brees. Carson Strong of Strata, I think. Jalen Tolbert, Recon. We got a Optic Contenders of David Bell. Derrick Henry from Phoenix. Jahan Dotson from Playbook. Pat Mahomes from his college days, Playbook. Kyron Williams from Playbook. Got a Matt Corral from Playoff, and a John Mechie III from Playbook. Let's sleeve up that Matt Corral. I also do have a blaster box that I also got. Found it hiding behind a bunch of like Leaf Draft boxes. I don't open up Leaf Draft just because there's gonna be players that are playing in college. I think the only reason why they're doing that is because now college players can make money off their NIL. But that's it for the rip. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Peace out.